Your destination is at the left.
Summer has already started at Destino Beach Club and Resort, but that was actually last week. I'm here now at my home and I wasn't really sure if I'm going to make a vlog out of it. So as usual, I got my equipment with me and I just kept filming everything on it. So this is what happened. This is my experience with Destino. First thing, of course, you got to check in. The receptionist was nice.
Alright, nandito kami.
Once you enter the area, the first look you got is the pool area. It's pretty impressive because everything is really new. Once you get downstairs, the staff will immediately assist you to your rooms. Small, but enough for two. Everything is new, as I said. You got your safe, you got your TV, your fridge. Make sure you bring your drinks. Up to the bathroom, everything is new. It's literally a hotel room. So every room is good for two and comes with a buffet lunch. Not just lunch, dinner, breakfast, and another lunch. And of course, there's an open bar to match your favorite drinks. That here is the only downside you might complain. But Anilao has the best diving spots in Batangas, well recommended for scuba divers and skin divers.
So far, wala pa tayo pwede reklamo.
Wala na, nagtagalog na.
Sarap ng pagkain, bagong-bago yung kwarto. Hindi ito sponsored trip ha, nagbayad ako. Siyempre, so support ka sa mga bagong event. Lahat dito bayad. Kuya, nasan yung free drinks ko? Faster, faster! It's a party boat! Hello! We're almost there! Shut. Ah! Alright, sunrise na. Sunrise. Alright, sunset na. Pabalik na kami. Let's start the party. Umpisa na ang party! Pakapagod lang ako sa labas. Vlogging is life. Wala na akong ginawang matino. So after na to, bibihis na lang kami. Tapos inuman na.
think that I'm not smart. I'm the one to take you on, don't underestimate me.
So grabe, nag-switch na ako from travel vlogger to party vlogger real quick. Pakain muna kami. Tapos after nito, party party. Lumalit. Kaya gala fish. Sarap ng dinner nila, sobra. Eto na. Eto na, dumadami na yung tao. Napansin ko lang, daming chicks. Pero hindi yun ang pinunta ko dito, no? Siyempre, I came for the party. What's up, Manila? Good morning, guys. It's 10 a.m. with a big hangover. Look at Basti. Natulog siya buong gabi na may salamin. Huling naalala ko na lang kagabi, nasa gazebo kami nagiinom. Good night! Wala na. Meron pa.
So that's it, guys. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will upload new videos. See you soon.
That's how you look in the morning with Alright. Good morning. Hindi pa nga kami nagtulog. Good morning! Puro kayo na alak.